Install the backup ring and the O-ring seal. Attach a suitable lifting device and link bracket assembly. Then rotate the head assembly as shown. Install the wear rings, the seal, and the wiper seal. Apply a suitable lubricant to the wear rings and the second stage rod. Use a suitable lifting device and link bracket assembly to install the head assembly onto the second stage rod. Use a suitable strap and lifting device to raise the second stage rod. Reposition the cribbing and slide the head assembly to the end of the second stage rod. Install the bearings, the seal, and the wiper seal. Use suitable straps and lifting device to position the first stage rod onto the cylinder bench. Position the first stage rod onto the suitable stands. Place suitable cribbing between the first stage rod and cylinder bench as shown. Use the cylinder bench to install the first stage rod onto the second stage rod. Remove the stands and the cribbing. Continue to install the first stage rod onto the second stage rod. Place the rod assembly onto suitable cribbing and remove the straps. Attach a suitable lifting device and link bracket assembly to the head assembly. Attach suitable link bracket assemblies and lever hoist groups to the head assembly and cylinder bench as shown. Apply even pressure on both sides of the head assembly with the lever hoist groups and install the head assembly onto the first stage rod. Finish installing the first stage rod. Install a suitable threaded rod into the second stage rod. Use a suitable lifting device to place a piston onto the threaded rod, then install the washers, the link bracket assembly, and the nut. Install the seal assembly and the wear rings. Use a suitable strap and lifting device to align the piston with the first stage rod. Use a soft-faced hammer to install the piston into the second stage rod until the first stage rod meets the second stage rod. Install the bolts. Remove the tooling and install the final bolt. Tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern to the specified torque. Install the wear rings and the seal assembly. Use suitable straps and lifting device to attach the tube assembly onto the cylinder bench. Use the cylinder bench to install the tube assembly onto the first stage rod and second stage rod until the tube assembly makes contact with the head assembly. Place a suitable stand under the rod assembly. Continue to install the tube assembly. Reposition the stand as shown. Continue to install the tube assembly. Remove the stand and finish installing the tube assembly. Install the tooling as shown. Use the tooling to draw the head assembly to the tube assembly. Remove the tooling and install the bolts. Engage the brake on the cylinder bench to keep the cylinder from turning while torquing the bolts. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque in a sequence shown in your service manual.
If you like what you saw today, please hit the like button in the right-hand corner, and thanks for watching.